All right, guys, let's do an update on BYND. This one is in my buy zone. I have made previous videos before of what to look for. I'm going to go over my analysis, my strategy. If you guys enjoy it, you guys are more than welcome to join the journey. I have caught the bottom on all these plays doing this particular set of systems. I got the bottom on BYND at 52 cents with proof. I can show you guys in the Discord here. If you follow this exact game plan, you will get really precision entries. I never chase a stock when it's up monster. So if you go back into when BYND was extremely oversold, you can see like right in here is where we caught it, right? This was the daily, or this was the 15-minute with the daily levels. I always catch things at the very bottom when it's down here. Now, this is a different type of setup. There's two different types of strategies that I do. I either go against the trend, which it clearly was right in here. But if you have this monster set of volume here, you can look to trade with the trend now. As you can see, BYND has had this monster move up at the upper band, so we switch sides to not buy. We switch sides to wait, and we only buy if we're going against the trend down here. What I like to look for is, one, are we going to break this EMA 200 on the daily, which we clearly did here. But the biggest thing that I like to see on the short term is the demand area we're in. Plot these EMAs on your chart. I like the EMA 20, 50, and 200 the most. You can see this is the 20, this is the 50, this is 200. It's very hard to break this 200 without probably some bad news. I think the hype alone will get this thing to go up again. I mean, we are coming up. We had to move up. When you guys, I know it really sucks when I see a lot of people bag holding this. If they would have just found my Discord to begin with, you would not have been bag holding this. This thing did go up 1,400%. All right, that's pretty freaking big. That is a big gain from the lows to the highs. So when this happens, you need to make sure do take profit along the ways. Everyone should be taking profit as it goes. But when I'm looking at this chart right now, it's coming right now into that demand area. So if you waited, congrats. I like anything in the $2 demand area. All right, because that is as close as possible you can get to this EMA 200, the best you can get, and just settle it down. A lot of things I like is look at the 4 hour. 4 hours are a very nice thing because when trends switch, they go from low time frame to high time frame. So when I see a 1 hour and a 4 hour, I would assume the daily is going to start switching, all right? And it just takes time. So when I'm looking at this, this move down to here, it's about a 26% area drop to the 220s. Anything in the $2 is the accumulation. We don't know exactly how low this is going to go, but I will tell you this EMAs does move as price goes. So this price right here at the 230s is not going to be there if it takes a while to get there. It can keep climbing up and up and up. So BYND is a very nice, solid opportunity. I'm definitely looking into this one, guys. Do not lay off on this. I know this is when everyone, it's kind of sad because people buy high and they literally sell low. When it gets depressing, they get out. People take your shares. I get in and I make the money. So I'm looking to increase my average from 52 cents. Probably start a new average now that because I'm a big fan of dip buying. If I see that this is looking like a nice uptrend, I didn't buy any shares past the 52 cents till today that I'm looking into. I was telling everyone I'm not selling my BYND. I'm looking to buy into this dip buy opportunity. Of course, I sold some of my shares. My original position, I was up 1,400%. You better believe I'm going to sell something. So I scaled all along the way. I did not catch the top. No one knows exactly how high this can go above the bands like this. No one knows. We just know when it squeezes, we take profit along the way. So as of right now, look at all the time frames. It looks good. I'm looking at the 1 hour and 4 hour. I want to see maybe like a staircase pattern here. Maybe we can get a staircase going up in here. Maybe a newer low. This is your dip buy opportunity. So I'm going to see maybe. I'm going to see if we can get close as possible. The 250 to 260 is ideal, but sometimes we don't get that. So I'm going to be looking into those lower $2 range, okay? And then the 4 hour obviously looks good. I don't expect it to touch this 200 anytime soon. I think this could keep going up. So the first thing is you want to look for your demand area. Draw that out with a rectangle. What's happening? We've just been consolidating. I don't think this is going to move for at least a week. I think give it some time. Let everyone accumulate. Let the new bulls accumulate. Let the
retail traders that don't know what they're doing get rid of their shares, and then I'm going to buy them up. All right. I think this is a great area. All we're doing is consolidating. There's nothing bearish about this. A lot of new people freak out because they see this and like, oh, it's going down, and then it's going up. Then you get excited. Oh, it's going down. If you cannot function, you probably put too big size in this. Always have risk management, guys. Every one of my plays that ran have made monster moves, but I still see people losing money. Still see people not have risk management, going over leverage. Nothing is guaranteed in trading. All right, I'm just showing you my game plan of why I think this is a monster bullish move coming up into the daily chart or coming up into this EMA 5. I can easily see all in this region strong support. We will see. Nothing's guaranteed, but this is a good risk versus reward. You're not buying it at the top. You're buying when price pulled back. You wait for price to consolidate, and then you look for the EMAs to see on the lower time frames, 1 hour and 4 hour. Daily, you have the EMA 5 coming to be at the very top. So that's a signal like, oh, we're starting to reverse the trend. You see how that starts to happen? So very good opportunity. I'm going more every time it goes into the $2 area. Accumulation. I don't know how low it's going to go, but I would expect nowhere under 230s. I think that would be extremely. I don't see that happening. All right, so I all in the $2 area is a good accumulation. Put some shares in. That's what I'm doing, and then I'm just going to hold this for a week, see if we make a new high. $5 is very realistic from this point. That's not unrealistic. And you got to understand, we've had a lot of volume. Can we sustain it? We're almost getting another billion volume, so we'll see. But yeah, I just wanted to give a quick update as everyone's freaking out. Here's your update. This is real technical analysis on how you catch bottoms, how do you trade with the trend, how you trade against the trend. My favorite strategy, of course, is going against the trend because remember, all price has to revert to the mean. When price goes away from to the EMAs, price will go to the EMAs. And what you do is you look for strong oversold levels. You buy it at the end of the day, and you sell it at pre-market. If it don't go up, go break even, and that's how you catch it. Now, for these kind of ideas, well, you just accumulate these shares. My stop loss on these new shares that I would buy would be if we go under $2. All right, or actually, I can make it tighter. I'll probably do like 220. If we go under 220, that would be kind of weird to me. I don't think we're going to go under 220. Anything's possible, but that's my price target. Accumulate, and you'll probably make monster money on this. All right, guys, as always, if you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. You get entries firsthand before YouTube, entries before anyone else. You would have caught YYAI at 7 cents. You would have been panicking. YDKG at the upper sixes made monster money. You would have caught BYND at 52 cents, ATYR at 70 cents over $1. All these plays right here, I only take trades that meet the system. If it don't meet the system, Burrow, we caught at 28 cents, over 40%. I mean, I can name countless trades. I have not yet lost on a single one of these trades based on how I trade. I'm not saying I'm not going to lose. It's just that this strategy works. Be patient. Wait for price to be depressing. Everyone's depressed now. Guess what happens? BYND takes the shares from a lot of other people. It's depressing. Nobody wants to buy it. And then it goes up again. People buy it again. They bag hold. It's a freaking cycle. You'll see it all the time. But click how to subscribe. Hit day trade alerts. $12 a month. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below and the description. And you'll get access to everything. Do use your computer to subscribe. It's the cheapest if you do it. And for a limited time, I might be going up in price. We'll see, because I want serious traders. I don't want just people that copy trade. I want people to actually literally go in here, study the videos, watch the videos, understand, go into the live streams. I go live every day in the day trade live streams. I have a Twitch channel here. You can find me on RTK live streams. I'll tell you guys everything that I'm doing and what I plan to do. Of course, it's my strategy that I'm doing, so my opinions and what I think is going to happen, and just based on like a lot of experience and over 6 years of day trading, over 10 years of trading with investing wise, this strategy works for me, and this is the only strategy you guys really need. If you really want to follow a strategy that really catches bottoms and tops, this is the strategy to do. All right, guys, I'll see you in the Discord. Only $12 a month for a limited time. Lock in the discount now before it goes up. Hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. If you have any questions, let me know, and I think BYND is going to go up.
This is when I love to buy in, when everyone's complaining about it. Nobody was complaining when it was going up to $8. People didn't think it can go down. It goes back down to reality. It happens, guys. All right, guys, let's keep squeezing it. This is the demand area. Buy, accumulate. We don't know exactly, but I'm guessing no lower than 220 from here, and we should go up from there. All right, all in the $2 is accumulation zone. That's what I'm doing. You heard it from me first. I don't have to alert that. You should just know that's what I'm doing. All right, peace out, guys, and happy trading.